Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a Monday update for Microsoft Edge. And this one follows the security update that we had on Chrome on Thursday. So this, of course, means it's the security updates in this case. So if you go into the upper right corner in the three horizontal dots, go down to Help and Feedback, and go to About Microsoft Edge, you will be moved to 151.0.4129.78. And this is the security updates for Microsoft Edge, which also makes me think about that everybody that has a Chromium-based browser should look at their updates to make sure they have the latest security updates installed on their PC. So if I remember well, there were something like 41 security flaws in Edge in Chrome on Thursday. So that means that all of that is also available on Chromium for all the browsers like Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and of course Microsoft Edge also. This won't be the only update this week. Probably we'll have some more, as the Chrome will have its update at some point, possibly tomorrow, Tuesday. They are moving into a schedule of possibly 2 updates for security a week, and Microsoft Edge will probably follow, and maybe all the Chromium browsers too. So check for your updates. Make sure you update your Chromium browser, your Microsoft Edge browser, and this will keep you safe. It's the first line of defense. By actually fixing the security flaws, you already lower the chances of having malware on your PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.